Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this little shelf made out of a Poundland frame. So originally it was a piece of art I got from Poundland and obviously I made it into a little shelf. So I got this deep framed thingy from Poundland. I actually got it in the sale, so it's actually only 25p. So I've got a few more of these which I'm going to make into different things. And this is just a really simple project. It's good for like your nail varnishes or like small paints and stuff. So I'm just going to cover the actual frame of it in duct tape. So I'm going to use a nice brightly coloured one because I want this to be circus themed because it's going to have Dumbo on it. So I'm just going to cut strips of duct tape and cover the outside of that. You can use like cover this in other things as well, like if you don't have like the coloured duct tape you can use colourful paper or something, glue that on. So then you want a bit of cardboard, kind of thick card, and you want to cut that the same width as like the inside of the frame. You want to cover that in matching duct tape or paper if you used paper, and this is going to be the shelf. Because it's only a small shelf, you don't need anything like super thick because you won't put massive things on there anyway. And depending on what you want to use this for and how big a frame it is, you might want like a couple of shelves, but I'm just using one. So now I'm going to take some Dumbo wallpaper, which I also got from Poundland. And because of the way Dumbo is sitting, most of it will be kind of blank if I just cut out, I think it was like an A4 size I'd need for the inside of this frame. So I'm actually going to cut two separate pieces out, so I've got Dumbo twice. You can also use patterned paper or card for this, for the background, or you can paint it, it's up to you. Just some way of changing the background. If you don't like the background, you might like the original thingy that's on the frame. But if you don't, just glue some sort of picture or patterned paper onto the back. I'd say one piece would be better, but I wanted a couple of Dumbos on there which wouldn't have fitted otherwise, so I'm actually doing it in two halves. So the bottom part, I've got this really cute Dumbo. I'm just going to stick that down, make sure it's all lined up, and then I'm going to stick another piece on the top half. And we're nearly done. See, look how cute he looks. So all that's left to do now is to glue the actual bit in the middle, the shelf, in with a hot glue gun, and you're done. You can use it for like any small little bottles or nail varnishes and whatnot. I'd say if you're using it for nail varnish and you've got this size, you could actually probably fit another shelf in this if you spread it out a bit more. But I wanted this for my little tubes of paint, like the fabric paint. And this is finished. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'd love to see what you make. Bye!